Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start inside the Instagram app. Make sure you're on the account you want to inspect. Tap your profile in the lower right, then the three-line menu in the top right. Once done, choose Settings, then tap your activity. This is the entry point to the activity log. You're starting the process now because this view centralizes actions, time spent, interactions, and more. It saves you combing through posts or notifications one by one. Now you'll filter and inspect the records. Use the filter menu to pick types like likes, comments, searches, or links. This narrows the log to relevant actions. Make sure to adjust any date ranges or sort options so you can focus on a specific period. Tap any entry to see details. When applicable, you can undo actions, such as unliking a post or deleting a search. These steps give you precise control and save time when investigating behavior. Finish by exporting or cleaning up. If you need a complete record, request download data in Settings to get a copy of your activity. To tidy up quickly, use Clear Search History or the Bulk Manage tools for interactions. If you can't find expected entries, make sure you're on the right account and that the app is updated. Sometimes server delays or cached data hide recent actions. If problems persist, log out and back in, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.